Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this Swann Wireless Doorbell. Okay, so this one plugs into mains power. So I'll show you here some information, and the specification is written here. It's run with the A23 battery. It's included inside. Transmission for 133 megahertz with a range up to 50 meters. This one consists of two items. One is the doorbell, and this one is the speaker unit. Okay, so I'll just open this now so what we can see what's inside the box. So this is completely sealed, so I need to cut the packaging. Okay, so probably this one can slide out, or try to continue with this one. Yeah, now it's completely open. Remove this. So I have two devices. Comes with the documentation, instruction manual. Then comes with two screws. Probably this one to attach the doorbell, and also double adhesive tape. So you have options. This one is the doorbell. Then this one is the speaker system that plugs in directly to the mains. So I'll try to connect this one, then we can see if we can hear the sound. Okay, before plugging this one to power, so I want to see if the battery is already installed. Just open this part. Yeah, so there's a lock there, and the battery is here. So I need to remove this paper to activate the battery. Then try to close. Okay, you can see there's a light, so I need to plug this one in. Try. So there's now power. Then can reduce the volume. So different tones. Just lower the volume, increase the volume. So I select that one, then I press the button here. So it's working. Then we choose that one. Then press the button. Okay, so that's it. It's working. That's really cool. Okay, thank you for watching.